Are you looking for an instant evening snack recipe? This evening snack, which is very tangy, chatpata and tasty, is very popularly found in the beaches of India. And we are going to make it extra healthy. How? Have you heard of eating the rainbow? Namaskarams and welcome back to Munch and Mull. Keep watching. Can you guess the recipe? Some more clues for you. It's a very high fiber snack recipe which would relieve you from constipation and help you with weight loss also. The tamarind chutney and the green chutney used in this recipe really make it so tangy and tasty. Guess what? Yes, it's the all-time favorite Bhel Puri. So let's see how to make tasty Bhel Puri at home. Tasty and healthy too, by adding the rainbow to it. Making the Bhel Puri can be such a creative art form, especially when you have to add the rainbow to it. Bhel Puri is an opportunity to add colors, not artificial colors. Artificial colors have a host of health issues, and we have looked at that in our raw mango pickle episode. These colors come from the various vegetables found in nature. Bhel Puri gives us a wonderful opportunity to increase the content of raw vegetables into our diet. So let's look at what we are going to be adding in our Bhel Puri today. So now let's look at how to make the sweet tamarind chutney. It's also called khatti methi chutney. It can be used with bhel and other chaat items. Goes very well with samosa, dhokla. And after you grind these ingredients, we just have to heat it for about 10 minutes, cool it, and we can store it in the fridge for ready use whenever required. So I have taken a orange sized ball of tamarind and soaked it for about 2 hours. 4 teaspoons of raw cane sugar or jaggery powder, about 7 to 8 chopped dates, and salt to taste. So I have removed the seeds from the soaked tamarind, and now we will grind all this together. The jaggery powder, the chopped dates, salt to taste. So now let's heat this methi chutney. Just heat it for about 10 minutes. It turns a little translucent and the raw tamarind smell should go. So here our sweet tamarind or methi chutney is ready and it's got a glossy appearance. So let it cool and we can store it. Now let's look at the ingredients that go into making the green chutney. Green chutney is used with bhel and other chaat items, and of course it can be used with samosas and dhoklas, etc. It also goes as a lovely sandwich spread. And here there is no cooking involved. This is raw green chutney. After we grind it, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Here I have taken washed mint leaves, coriander leaves, and I had some tulsi growing in my balcony, so I have taken that also. You could also add herbs of your choice. I have taken 2 green chilies, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of jeera. There is no particular proportion of mint and coriander leaves. You could take 50% mint leaves, 50% coriander, or in case you do not have coriander, you could also make it only with mint and vice versa. Now let's grind the green chutney. So I'm adding this pudina or mint leaves, coriander, 2 green chilies, half a teaspoon of jeera, and salt to taste. I have fond memories of the year 1995 when I was pregnant with our son Anugraha, and my husband is a raw food enthusiast and he used to pack as many raw vegetables that he could lay his hands in Port Blair in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and all those vegetables that he could lay his hands off used to go into the Bhel Puri. And a special mention to a friend, now Captain Vinayak Gizre. He is a flyer. So whenever he used to go on sorties to Chennai, he used to get us, the mainland vegetables like carrots and especially a lot of pomegranates, because pomegranates in Port Blair used to come by ship and was very expensive. Thanks Vinayak. Now let's look at what we are going to be using to make the bhel today. This is puri made from organic unpolished mapla samba rice. and it is also called kurmura. The vegetables that we can use is just our creativity, and it's a wonderful opportunity to use as many raw vegetables as we can. So I have taken beetroot, cucumber, carrot, raw mango. Raw mango and cucumber have been grated with their peels, tomato, sprouts, roasted groundnuts, green chutney, tamarind sweet chutney, and the only non-organic part here is the save. Of course, you can use chopped onions. We prefer to eat the bhel without onions. The other vegetables that you could use to add in the bhel is ridge gourd, bottle gourd, ash gourd, cabbage, yellow pumpkin. The list is endless. What does eating the rainbow mean? Various fruits and vegetables have different range of vitamins, minerals and other phytonutrients. And so eating different colors among vegetables and fruits gives us those benefits. For example, red color indicates that the vegetable and fruits are rich in lycopenes, which have anti-cancer properties. For example, tomatoes and watermelons. Blue and purple color indicate that the vegetables and fruits are rich in anthocyanins, which have anti-cancer properties and are extremely good for heart health. For example, beetroot, blueberries, purple cabbage, even black rice. You could go back to the black rice dessert episode on Munch and Mull, where we have given a detailed account of the benefits of anthocyanins. Yellow and orange boost your immune system, and these vegetables and fruits are rich in carotenoids. They also help in eye health and vision. For example, carrots and pumpkins. And greens, green leafy vegetables and other green vegetables are powerful detoxifying agents. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants. And so, it is best to have these colorful vegetables as part of our regular diet. So now first we will mix all the vegetables. So let me start with the beetroot. So we will take the beetroot, the cucumber, the carrot, the raw mango, the tomatoes. Now we will add the sprouts. Let's mix this. Wow, what a rainbow of colors. We've added all the vegetables. Look at this color. So now let's add the green chutney. You can add it according to your taste. So I have added about 3 spoons of chutney. I am adding 3 tablespoons of sweet tamarind chutney. Let's mix this now. And it's very important to add the kurmura or puri at last. Otherwise, if we add it at first, it will get soggy. So now this is mixed well. Let's add the roasted groundnuts. And now we will add the puri. Now we will add the save. Our tasty and healthy, nutritious, instant snack Bhel Puri is ready to be enjoyed. And since Bhel Puri being an oil-free recipe, it is most favored by people who are extremely health conscious, who want to lose weight, diabetics, and because we are making it healthy with the rainbow vegetables, it is suitable for all age groups. So are you ready for an Eat the Rainbow challenge? Let's look at the Mull point now. Having seen the benefits of eating the rainbow, are you ready to take the rainbow diet challenge? You can also add sprouted chana, sprouted horse gram, shredded cauliflower, snake gourd. So which other vegetables would you like to add in your bhel recipe? And which other recipes can you think of adding to the rainbow diet plan? Leave your comments below and I am really looking forward to your comments.